Welcome to our video where we explore the world of IPTV and its benefits. First off, let's understand what IPTV stands for and how it works. IPTV delivers television content over the internet instead of traditional satellite or cable. Now, let's discuss the benefits of IPTV that have people buzzing with excitement. One main advantage is the flexibility to watch on various devices, anytime and anywhere. IPTV also offers a variety of channels and on-demand content, significantly surpassing cable offerings. However, do keep in mind there are some drawbacks to consider before signing up. Potential internet connection issues can lead to buffering, which might disrupt your viewing experience. Let's move on to the step-by-step guide on how to set up IPTV in your home. First, choose an IPTV service provider that matches your needs and budget. We believe that www.2tv.store stands out as the best IPTV provider in the market. Next, you'll want to register on their website and select a subscription plan. After registering, download the IPTV application compatible with your device. Once downloaded, open the app and log in using your registration credentials. Finally, start exploring the vastly entertaining content available at your fingertips. So is IPTV really worth the investment? Well, it ultimately depends on your needs. Make sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully and choose wisely.